This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Tellaro 20K is a Class B RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 21 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, TV, air conditioning, self-contained, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front bedroom, rear bath. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Tellaro 20K is built on a RAM ProMaster 3500 XT chassis and is powered by a 3.6L PENTASTAR V6 Gasoline engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.